Hey, this is going to be a quick update on my ownership of the Mayban Ray-Ban Meta sunglasses. Getting tongue-tied. But I own two pair. I have the polarized pair, which you can see right here, and I also have the transitional lenses. I've owned these since around November. I bought them both around the same time. I mostly use the transition lenses to shoot videos for reviews, and the polarized lenses, I just wanted a pair of sunglasses that I could potentially shoot reviews or shoot videos and also be able to talk to people while I'm out, not have to put like earphones or Bluetooth headphones in or something like that. So they kind of allow me to just move freely throughout life. I want to start off talking about the things that I love. Now, I have made some changes. When I first got these glasses, I had a huge issue with them slipping down. So I bought some nose pads that I thought were great, but long term, what was happening is I noticed they were catching a lot of dirt, and eventually one of them came off. So I don't know if that's the oils from my skin, or it's just something I didn't like the long term of having those pads on my glasses. So I ended up taking those off and just continue with the issue of my glasses sliding down, and I'll have to push them up. And I came across these. These are silicone tips that go on I think these are called the arms of your glasses. But these tips go on the ends of your glasses, and what they do is they hold them behind your ear. They hook around the back of your ear and they hold them onto your head. This is by far the best fit that I've had with these glasses since I've owned them. And I felt it immediately. As soon as I put them on, I felt it. So I highly recommend these if you're not just the Meta Ray-Ban sunglasses, any sunglasses. If you're having an issue with them falling down, don't give up. These work great. The hardest part is getting them around this part, which is a lot bigger. But once you get it on, you never have to change them or take them off. And I'm pretty sure you can just use some alcohol wipes or something if you wanted to clean these, so you don't have to remove them. But yeah, I've taken some amazing videos. I'll put some videos that I've taken with these glasses, and I truly enjoy the sound quality. Like if I'm out and about and someone calls me, I love being able to tap on the side of the glasses and answer a call, and also do the same to end a call. I also like being able to listen to music through them, and the sound quality is amazing. It's like you're engulfed in the sound that these glasses put out. Now, tell me the overall quality of this call. How do you feel about it? Because now you know that I'm talking with the Meta glasses.
This is the best audio on the other side I've ever heard for somebody who's driving and yeah, and doing things.
So the sound quality is really good. My only issue with these is I don't like the battery life. If you record a lot of videos, you may get 2 to 3 hours of wear. If you're listening to music, they last, I'll probably say like 4 to 5 hours maybe. The meta feature, the AI feature, that drains a lot of battery life. So I don't even really turn it on, and I don't really find it that useful for my life. I use ChatGPT for AI, and yeah, it just doesn't work with how I live my life. So I just turn the feature off because it drains the battery, and it's not as efficient as I would like. So yeah, I don't really use it. But yeah, other than that, these are some great glasses. The polarized lenses are really good. They definitely help with the sun. And and I will say the transition lenses, they so the reason I ended up buying these, I'll give you the full story. The reason I ended up buying the polarized lenses was because I'm not familiar with how transition lenses work, and it took longer than expected for them to turn in the sun. But they do change. Eventually they get really dark. I'll upload a video showing exactly how dark they get. But yeah, it does take a considerable amount of time for the transition lenses to get dark. But other than that, I am extremely happy with my purchase. I'm pretty sure at some point in the future they're going to release a different version, or they're going to get better with the battery life. But for the time being, I'm satisfied with my purchase. Like I said, I use these to shoot some really great review videos that allow me to be more hands-on with the products that I'm recording. I like that they allow me to be hands-free with life. So like I don't have to walk around with AirPods or something in my ear. And if I had to give them a rating, I'd give them a 4 out of 5 just because of the battery life. Battery life isn't that great, but other than that, yeah. And keep in mind, these are a little bit heavier than your standard glasses, and I'll do a weight comparison from my Ray-Bans to a pair of Oakleys that I used to wear all the time. But just to kind of give you a understanding of how much heavier these glasses are. So in case you're wondering how much Meta Ray-Ban sunglasses weigh compared to a normal pair of sunglasses, I have a pair of Oakley sunglasses here that I have as my backup sunglasses in the car. Go over the grams, and the Oakleys weigh 23 grams. All right. Now let's weigh the Meta Ray-Ban sunglasses. They are 54 grams. So they're double the weight of a normal pair of sunglasses. All right. And you can see kind of the comparison. They just have like the arm is thicker. You can see comparison wise how much thicker it is, especially from the top. When you look at it like that, you can see that's where they keep the technology at. Considerable difference in weight, but that's it. 4 out of 5. Only thing I don't really like is the battery life. Transition lenses are decent. They don't change as fast as I would like, but apparently that's how transition lenses work. I love them. Glad that I bought them. Don't regret anything, especially after having these ear hooks. All right, well, that's it. Thank you for watching, and you have a blessed day.